Namaskar. Today we will be learning about the 12 steps to create a language rich environment. What is language rich environment? As teachers, we constantly strive to create a classroom environment where children are exposed to high quality language in varying forms. After all, language acquisition and its use are at the core of all the reading, writing, and communication we expect of our student. Here we are talking about the language rich environment, means where we will be playing with the language. Okay. Here we mean that our classroom should be very much according to the environment where children are exposed to high quality of language. Okay. And the language acquisition means what are the problems and the solution, what is the use, how we use it. Okay. And its use are the core in all the reading, writing, and conversation. When we say language rich means it should be all round, means when we are talking, when we are conversing with anyone, when we are reading, when we are writing, or in all the forms our language should be proper. Now, it's not enough, however, for students to be passive observers of the language they see on word walls or hear in a read aloud. Means we always say the children, please read aloud. Why we say read aloud? Because we can hear their mistakes, their accents, means how they are uttering, whether they are uttering right or wrong, whether they are saying the words properly as per the written word or they are articulating something different. Okay. We always see the what was or hear in a read aloud. The language rich classroom has many different layers, and we believe the key to each is student engagement. Means when we are saying the language rich classroom, in many different ways we see that the children are speaking to each other in a proper language. Their meanings are proper, their language are good, they have a lot of vocabulary, and they have a nice engagement. When we are not able to say what we want to communicate, means we are not talking to anyone, we are isolating ourselves. So when you are rich in your language, means you can talk to anyone, you can gossip with anyone, you can interact with anyone, and that is what we our motto is to do with the students. Now, if your goal is to create a language rich environment, student exposure to language should be meaningful, deliberate, repetitive, and engaging, meaning it directly involves the students as active participants. We will share 12 ways to make our classroom an interactive language rich environment each and every day. Means what is our goal? Our goal is to create a very good environment and rich in language. Okay, that's why we are again and again saying language rich environment where students can speak, write, read very easily, properly with anyone. Whenever they are said to read the passage or the read the text, they can read it very nicely. They don't have any obstacles or problems while uttering or saying. Okay. And it should be very meaningful, deliberate, and repetitive. When we are saying repetitive, means children again and again saying the same thing to we want to see that the children are repeating again and again the text so that the words will memorize in the brain and they can use it as and when often they need those words. Okay. And at the same time they are engaging themselves in a meaning. It directly involves, where I'm saying ki whenever they need to use these words, they are able to use it properly. Okay. And participatively, we will learn this type of things. There are 12 ways, okay, to make our classroom an interactive and language rich environment for the students. So we will be discussing in the next class about these 12 ways. Thank you.